we are doing an unboxing and review of a mouse mat. It's an RGB mouse mat. You know how much I like my RGB. Cost me around about £22, so it's not too expensive, and as always I will stick a link in the video description. I've decided I want to replace my old one because it's starting to look a bit worn and tattered, especially when I'm doing my overhead shots. When you're looking down and I see the mouse mat, I thought I really need to get a new one. And it came in 3 different formats, just a plain one or one with like a space theme, and I can't remember what the other one was. I'll let you know in the video at some point what it was. I can't remember off my head right now what it was. So with that, let's do the unboxing. Comes in 4 different flavours, and the one I bought I will link in the video description for you to go and check it out. It comes with a plain one or 3 space ones. So this is one of the space ones, but there are 3 of them in total plus the plain one. So with that, let's get one done. And they do vary just slightly. The space ones are all £21.99, or at the time of making this video anyway. And the plain one is £19.99, so it's, you know, £1 difference. Or £2 difference. So, big box for Amazon. Bit of an overkill there. Right, first things first, it's showing a picture of a plain one. I hope I haven't got a plain one, because I never ordered a plain one. We will see, oh God. So it's 800 by 300 millimeters. I'm assuming that's the length, I'm not 100% sure. USB powered plug and play, 14 mode spectrum backlight, and what's that, 17 colours? 7 colours, 7 colours. There you go. So it says RGB, M, don't know what the M stands for, 1.8, don't know what that means, and don't know what that is. We've got you. So you have soft microfiber surface, so it should be nice and smooth. It does say it is ultra smooth. We will be testing that out in a second. 14 mode spectrum backlight. Rubber base, so it should be nice and sticky. 800 by 300, you've seen all that. USB plug and play, it should be. It only needs power basically, doesn't it? 1800 millimeters. I don't know. So it says Reawul, yeah, Reawul. Is that right? Gaming mouse pad. Yeah, baby. And yeah, we've got to make sure they've sent me the right one. So, oh, it's not sealed. Oh, okay. I thought it was going to be sealed, but it's not. I've got my knife ready for the second part, but obviously it's not sealed. There you go. Let's get it open. Okay, well that was easy. Nice bit of packaging though. Right, let's roll her out. Oh, it is the right one. So I was a little bit worried. What's in here? So I've got instructions, and I will have a quick read of the instructions just to make sure I don't miss anything. It will take a little time for it to lay flat. So probably normally about 24 hours, something like that. And I will have a read of the instructions in a second. What have we got here? The instructions. So yeah, probably take a day or 2, I would have thought. Let's see how smooth she is. Yeah, feels quite nice. I do have a gaming mouse now, a wireless one, but I'm not 100% settled with it yet. I'm still messing about getting some of the settings right, the macros and stuff. Yeah, feels very nice. It does feel pretty sticky. Let's get the keyboard on it. So yeah. Keyboard goes on there nicely, plus my mouse, which is what I like, and it looks good. Yeah, I need to clean my keyboard now. Right, let's see how long this lead is. And I do believe the power connection from my old mouse should just fit to this. So I won't even have to run a new cable. I can just leave the old one. And it feels about the same material. Believe it or not. Oh yeah, it's quite long. That is very long actually. So I'm going to have a measure up and I'll be back. Right, I've had a quick read of the instructions, and that is the on-off button. And that one will scroll through the 14 different modes. Yes, it has 14 different modes. So The size of the mouse mat, it's 31.5 by 11.8 inches, and the cable is 1.8 meters or 6 feet. And you get a user manual. That's this baby here. It's in 2 different languages. So with that, let's get it plugged in. I had my old cable in here from my other mouse mat, so I could use that or this one. But as we're doing a review, we are going to be using this baby here. So I'm going to plug it into my keyboard, because my keyboard has a USB connection. And we're going to be testing their cable first. Make sure it works okay. Wrong way round. So that's it plugged in. Turn her on. And she don't work. Oh, there it is. Bit of a loose connection there, as you can see. So not very good start. On and off. That's got to be the on and off button. So if you just go like that, it's going off anyway. That's better. Sorted. Just wanted a slight adjustment. So on off, and then these are all your different modes. So mode 1, I believe, is just red. Mode 2 should be blue. Let's go through the colours, shall we? So that's blue, and then the next one's green. Let's get out of the way. The next one's purple, cyan, yellow, white. It's not really a white, is it? And then we're going over to alternative waves. Or alternative wave, it says. So that's a wave. I quite like that one, actually. Synchronized wave. Okay, I can see it. It's subtle. It's subtle. Alternative flash. Okay, I'll get that one. Alternative red changing flash. So it's going to go red. It can be changing flash. Not sure what that means. Yeah, that looks alright. Alternative monochrome flash. What's that, white? Oh, just changes single colours. Oh, I'm with you, I'm with you. Synchronised breathing. So it's a bit like synchronised swimming. Okay, changing colours, yeah, slowly but surely. And last one is alternative breathing. Yeah, looks alright. I'd probably go for the alternative wave myself. So that's after the white colour. So I'm going to scroll through them till I get to the white colour. Which should be there, and then next one is the one I'm going to choose. So I'm going to leave it on that baby. I quite like that one. That suits me fine. Right, what about the material itself? Yeah, it feels really nice. Just get the mouse on there. Yeah, nice and slidey. It does say ultra smooth. I'm not sure if it's ultra smooth, but it is nice and smooth. I love the picture. I went for this one because I like the well, I like the space theme. It looks really good. Has a rubber mat on the back, so it should be nice and grippy, which we're going to test right now. Oh yeah. So I'm moving my desk. That is not moving. That is very grippy. Yeah, good. Plenty of room for my keyboard. Plenty of room for my mouse. Perfect. This is a full size keyboard, so it should fit or suit most keyboards and mice combinations. So yeah, so my first impression, I was a little bit disappointed that the lead is a little bit, you know, let's try my other lead, the one that I already had installed. See, that works perfectly, straight away, no, nothing. So yeah, bit disappointed in the cabling, For some reason that's not a very good connection, but my old connection, it works perfectly. Yeah. Apart from that, yeah, I like it, very good. Brilliant effects. I like the look of the mouse mat itself as well, the actual design, the picture. It definitely feels slippery. One of the other things it does say is water resistant, so if you spill a drink on it or anything like that, it shouldn't damage the material. It should be able to just wipe it off. So that's another reason I've changed it. Plus it looks nice and tidy, unlike my old mouses or my mouse mat. It's actually worn out now. So yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. I'm a little bit disappointed in the cabling. For some reason the connection on this one might be just unlucky, I've got a dub one, but the cabling connection is not very good. The cabling connection I had from my old one, as you can see, perfect. Let's try it again. Might just be a dud. That's it, it's alright now. I don't know. Working fine. Look, moving it about. Weird, I don't know. Just maybe it just needed settling down a little bit. So it seems to be fine now. So I'll shut up. So yeah. Yeah, I like it. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you like it or not. I'm very pleased with it. I think it looks good. Definitely going to be a replacement for my old one. It looks more tidy and professional. So brilliant for my down shots on my camera. Like I said, I've got the lights turned off just so you can get a maximum effect. It's not the brightest in the world, but my other one was about the same, my other mouse mat, so it's about the same. So definitely gets my thumbs up. And if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.